Hey guys, welcome to my review of this brand new drill bit. By link, description below. As always, let's get straight into it. So this is what is known as a cobalt drill bit. Cobalt drill bits are extremely hard, much harder than steel, and they're meant for drilling extremely tough metals, while still not being as brittle as something like carbide. So let's get straight into the testing. We're going to be comparing it to this standard cheapo steel drill bit. Let's get straight into it. This drill bit is 3/32 and it also features what's known as a split point tip, meaning it starts cutting immediately so it doesn't walk. Starting off with your standard drill bit steel against this piece of 3/32 steel. This might take a while, guys, so grab your popcorn and let's get started. Wow, surprisingly no walking. I was expecting some walking, but it looks like nope. Oh, slipping in the chuck a bit. There we go. That was actually quite successful. Much better than I thought it would do. Now onto the cobalt drill bit. Okay, cobalt drill bit is in, and while you may not see a very noticeable difference here, this drill bit will really shine against really hard and thick metals. Although I can't really demonstrate that because I don't have any, but this should at least be a bit faster. So, yeah. Let's see, where should we drill? Let's add some oil. Whoops, got it all over the table. Good job. Alright, so pretty much no walking as expected. Oh, whoopsies. Yeah, maybe I should be holding the clamp. Come on. Wow, I'm surprised. It's actually doing worse than the standard drill bit. I'm not actually even gonna finish this. This might take a while. We're only about less than halfway through, actually. That's very surprising. This cobalt drill bit failed me. Perhaps I got a fluke. Maybe the tip isn't sharpened, I don't know. Looks fine. It might even have to do with that these drill bits are simply only designed for really hard metals, and that's where they really shine. They're not designed for necessarily speed, but for reliability and durability. That could be why, because where these softer steel drill bits would just break on really hard metals. That could be why. But I mean, I have to be honest with you guys. You know, I'm not gonna try to make this product look better than it is. It completely just failed this metal test. So take what you will from that, you know. Maybe this was a fluke, I don't know. But I mean, disappointing. If you want, once again, if I could test harder metals, that might be more conclusive. But until then, you know, can't really do anything about it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll put a buy link in the description below if you still want it. And I'll see you guys next time. If you guys know why, for any reason this might not be cutting very well, comment down below. Bye.